For 75 years, Tata Motors has championed innovation, building its legacy as a true pioneer. Welcome to Tata Motors, where tradition meets innovation to connect aspirations. Our dedication to research and development is pushing the limits of what's possible. We're trailblazing the path to a safer, sustainable and connected world by shaping the future of mobility. Sustainability drives our every action. Renewable energy, use of eco-friendly materials and recycling guide our efforts. With our state-of-the-art Recycle with Respect facilities, we are fostering circularity. We believe that innovation thrives with inclusivity. Join our diverse team of talented individuals where collaboration and teamwork drive success. From concept to production, you'll witness your ideas transform to reality. Embark on an exhilarating journey with us. Experience a culture of continuous improvement, growth and limitless opportunities. Together, we will shape the mobility solutions of tomorrow, making the world safer, greener and smarter every step of the way. Unleash your potential in an aspirational organization where you can proudly say, "We built this." Discover your pathways to future at Tata Motors. Be part of an organization that values you. Embark on your journey of success.
Be part of this transformative journey.
Learn more on tatamotors.com/careers and embark on your journey to success.